Hello there, everybody who is watching. So I forgot to record the last time I was doing stuff. So for a quick explanation before I just completely finish this logo. Oh no, that's not good. I have this logo here. I did try and do this in vector, this part with the girl. I didn't really like it. As I found out, when it comes to sending this kind of thing to an enamel pin maker, it does have to be in Illustrator format. However, I'm looking at this and I kind of think that I may not create it into an enamel pin. It's not that I don't think it's fitting for an enamel pin. It's just that I don't think it's sellable as an enamel pin because there's just not going to be enough people buying it. So I'm perfectly fine with that. It is what it is. Maybe I'll make it into a sticker, which would be way cheaper. So I think that's what I'll do. Or even just use it as a logo, just as is. So that's why I thought, well, I do like it better in Photoshop format, as in pixel format. So I think that's what I'll actually do, is I'll go ahead and do it in pixel form. And now I'm going to turn off the camera and everything and disable my mic, and I'm just going to record myself finishing. I don't think it'll take too long, but you never know. So see you later. back, and this is the finalized logo for Unicorn Girl. So yay, finally finished. It took me way too long. And now I can work on other stuff. So my New Year's resolution this year is to do 24 finished artworks in the whole year. So it's already February. I only did one finished artwork, and that would be this one. But hopefully I'll be getting on other stuff. I've been doing some sketches for more pin designs, but enamel pin designs, so not my usual painterly stuff that I've been doing. Confession, I'm not very good at painting. I'm just not. I wish I were, but if anything, my strongest suit would have to be line art, anatomy, poses, characters, those kind of things. I'm definitely not somebody who is used to using a lot of color because I've always been a sketch artist. So that is my challenge. People are like, oh yeah, your use of color is really good. Well, thank you. Yes, thank you. I personally feel like I'm simply a novice when it comes to color and all that, because usually I have to go with a reference. So the fact that I have to do reference when it comes to coloring, maybe not for Unicorn Girl or something, but just for the more painterly, more complicated, actual fully colored illustrations and everything, I'm not so good. So that's something that I will be working on this year for sure, so that I bring more in terms of under the brand of Yegos Productions. So more smiley, happy, pretty colors and, great stuff like that. And I guess that would conclude, why can't I talk right now? That would conclude tonight's creation, and more will be added soon. Good night. Bye.